Hey guys, I'm back. So this video is going to be quite a different video, and I got inspiration for this video from one of my really old videos about God knows 5 years ago, just here. And I got a really mean comment from a subscriber saying, oh my goodness, I can't believe her face is that round. And given that I've gone through sort of like a maturity phase, and also I've lost quite a few pounds, I've dropped off some weight, I thought I'd take inspiration for those who have gorgeous round faces and show them hacks in which they can use to add some structure to their face. So if this video is for you, then keep on watching. So guys, the first hack we're going to focus on is my art edges. Again, when you have a round face, you really want to create structure, and a good way to do that is to start at your hairline, where you can create structure, hence why I focused on my edges here. Again, that adds structure and definition to your round face. And then the next hack I'm going to focus on is contour and highlight, which would form pretty much the basis of how to get a slimmer face. Here I've applied my foundation, and I'm going to do a very a highlight and contour technique for round faces, where the highlight is underneath. You focus on the light areas, so the bridge of your nose, your forehead, your cheekbones, your chin, as well as your jaw. You want to highlight those areas that light hits, and you want to contour from your eyebrows so that it gives the illusion that your face is slim, and it's your eyebrows are sort of connecting down the bridge of your nose. And then you want to focus on the side of your forehead as well, just to create, again, like I said, structure and definition to that round surface. With round surfaces, when you start adding lines and shadows, it starts to give it form. It starts to look like 3D, so to speak. So again, just gives it structure. Once you're done highlighting and contouring, you're going to use your beauty blender. You're just going to dab all of that in. You want to just blend all the hash lines, not necessarily take them away. Here, I'm also, before blending all of that, I thought I'd focus on my eyebrows so that I can show you guys that you need to focus on square eyebrows, so anything that's rather boxy. Again, this adds structure to your round face. It's all about going the opposite direction. So you want your eyebrows to be quite squared. Again, that gives you a feel of more structure and definition. As you can see, I've blended all of that in, added some powder, and you can see that my face is now looking quite structured. Again, this is the power of sort of contour and highlight and adding some definition. And don't forget your highlighter as well, because that also improves the way it looks. So you only want to focus on, again, elevating those areas where. So yeah, awesome. So the next step, we're going to go to hairstyles. Hairstyles again are important for just sort of adding definition and hiding a really round face. Center parts are always good because they do hide away the cheeks, where a lot of the weight of round faces come from. So once you've contoured, you're going to focus on hairstyles that are middle part based, or even a nice long bob. Here I've packed my hair in a bun, again because it creates an illusion of a longer face, elongated face, as it gives it height as well. You could also use scarves to accessorize, because again it helps with giving your face height, making it appear longer and less round. Here I've tried on a bob wig because there's a general misconception that people with round faces cannot wear wigs, and I want to show that that's not the case. I feel like you can wear bob wigs with fringes, obviously down to how you style it. And here I'm just sort of styling it in a way where it's not so much making my face look wider, but rather it's giving me, I can still maintain that structure but also style it in a very edgy and funky way. And given that, you know, scarves are a best way to sort of elongate the face and add a bit of height, I'm also accessorizing with a scarf in this instance and tying it like a turban, again to give my face that illusion of, you know, like just give it an elongated illusion basically. Again, this should help you sort of rock your bobbed fringe very well. Yep. Okay guys, so the last tip is with glasses. If you've got round faces, again, you want to focus on structure just to counteract, you know, your curved lines basically. You want to focus on really like square glasses, or you want to go really big. Here I'm wearing sort of like a hexagon triangular shape. Again, this just helps not making the shape of my face so obvious. Yep. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'll catch you in my next video, and take care.